Good morning, and check out my hotel room with the most beautiful sea view. Pretty amazing. Now let's go for a swim in the sea. Good morning from paradise, and it's 8:15 a.m. and it's time for the regular morning swim. Today is 7th of May, day 2 of my vacation here in Mallorca. And in my hotel they have group trainings like core, Tabata, cross training, yoga, and there is core class in 15 minutes, but I want to take a quick swim for that, and actually Tabata after that right away. So core plus Tabata, then some more swimming, and there is water aerobics also at 11:30. But let's go in right away. Oh, someone was building a sea sandcastle here or something. Let's quickly get ready. Go in. That's right. Yes. Really amazing. There's my hotel, and I can see my room on the 5th floor. The last room on the right, on the 5th floor. And I have wonderful view of this kitchen. Beautiful. What a beautiful morning. Yes. Then let's go under the sea. That was super nice. Super nice indeed. Marvelous. Beautiful. What a beautiful morning. Yesterday I was walking all the way to Can Picafort. It was 10 kilometers one way along the beach, so it was quite a few steps yesterday. I think it was around 42 Okay, steps. Today I'm gonna explore the other side. It's gonna be a bit of rocky and hilly terrain. But yeah, perfect Sunday for exploration. So that was the morning dip of the day. Now let's go do some training, right?